MG-K57, designed with Brawn, designed for what matters.
For the past 75 years, rotary and foil shavers have dominated electric shaving. Remington is about to change that. The new Remington Smart Edge is a breakthrough innovation. Its active hybrid technology combines the efficiency of a rotary shaver with the closeness of a foil. Dual hybrid cutters capture longer growth using slots like a rotary shaver. The Lift Logic middle foil cleanly cuts shorter hairs and stubble using a multi-directional foil pattern that lifts and cuts hairs from all angles. At work beneath the foil are the AccuCut blades. The open arch design leads to less noise and vibration for a comfortable shaving experience. The Wet Tech design gives you the freedom to shave dry or in the shower, or use the Smart Edge with gel for maximum comfort. The foil innovations of the Smart Edge provide our closest ever one-pass shave with less pulling and reduced irritation. The all-new Smart Edge. Only from Remington.
The new Braun all-in-one trimmer, MG-K5080, for ultimate precision and 100% control from head to toe. The device has a 5-minute quick charge for a full trim and gives you 100 minutes of cordless trimming. The set provides 4 combs for 13 length settings. With the 3 to 11 millimeter comb, you can trim your beard from short to medium length. For a stubble look, 1 to 2 millimeters, use the 2 fixed combs. For longer beards, you can use the long comb ranging from 13 to 21 millimeters, and the 2 combs can also be used for hair clipping. Use the blade for accurate lines and edges. For a clean shave, the Braun kit also includes a Gillette Fusion 5 Pro Glide with FlexBall technology. For smaller areas like around the lips, the detail trimmer helps you create accurate lines for ultimate precision. Reach for the ear and nose precision trimmer to remove unwanted hair in sensitive areas. The MG-K5080 also includes a body grooming attachment to get rid of all unwanted hair below the face. The device is fully washable. And for storage or traveling, you can use the
If you're looking for an advanced shaving experience, check out Wahl's Smart Shave. This shaver includes Wahl's most advanced lithium-ion technology, allowing a 90-minute runtime with an hour charge, a 1-minute quick charge for 1 full shave, and contains an LED charge meter that shows you the current battery level. It will also alert you with a flashing red light when the battery is low. To optimize your shaving experience, this unit contains Wahl's most advanced wet-dry foil head. It pivots for a more comfortable shave and contains two unique flexing foils. The symmetrical and asymmetrical foil patterns were designed to work together to lift and cut hairs no matter which direction they're growing, while the long hair cutter bar shortens longer hairs so they can be shaved, providing unbeatable results. Also included with this shaver is a pop-up precision trimmer that delivers a superior cutting performance while lining up sideburns and trimming facial hair, and a durable foil guard to protect your foil heads from damage. For added comfort, this shaver has an ergonomic no-slip rubber grip that makes it easy to hold, and a travel lock feature that allows you to lock the shaver so it won't turn on in your travel bag. Pick up your Smart Shave today and join the millions of satisfied Wahl customers.
I would recommend this product to anyone. I really felt like I had a very close shave. It feels smooth, no irritation. It feels just as good.